This is the installation video for the Tax Organizer Tool 2023. This is my zip file download. I'm going to open that. I'm going to select this folder, this file, JavaScript file, activation PDF. So I have my tax forms 2023 folder, my batch tax organizers, that's an action file. This PAS underscore 500, that's a JavaScript file. And this PDF is to activate the software. So I'll drag these files out onto my desktop. Then I'll close this. I'm going to open Acrobat. Tools. I'll start typing the word action. And the action wizard comes up. I'm going to put it over here in this panel by clicking this drop down and add shortcut. You see it went down here, and I'm going to drag it to the top because I'm going to be using that a lot. I'm going to activate that right now by clicking it. Select manage actions, import, desktop, and I'm going to find that file there, that batch tax organizer. Select that, click open. It's asking me if I still want to import it because it's got JavaScript in it. Click import and it tells me, yeah, it's imported. Okay. And it went to the top of the list there, so it is right here. Close that. Close the action wizard. Close Acrobat. I'm going to open the JavaScript folder for Acrobat, and I'll show you the path. C program files x86 Adobe. I have a 32-bit Acrobat, so it's x86. If you have a 64 Acrobat Pro, this x86 in brackets won't be in the path. That's my activation code. But before I activate that, I need to drag this JavaScript file in here. Click continue. And Acrobat's not running, so if it is, I have to restart it. I'm just going to start it up by opening this software activation PDF. And I'm just going to copy and paste my number right there. And there it is. I just copied that. Paste. Activate software. Here's the agreement. I agree. PDF closes. Next, want to make sure that that JavaScript file was installed properly and it was activated properly. Go to File. You should see Tax Organizer Setup and Create Tax Organizer. This one's not enabled, and that's because I don't have a PDF open. So let's do the setup. Shows my expiry date, which is 1 year from today. And the location to that tax forms folder, I have it on my desktop. Nothing in the location, so I'm going to click change. And here it is on my desktop. You could put it anywhere, but once you point to that location, don't change file names or folder names or locations. So I'll click select folder, and there's my path right there. Then, and you only have to do this once. That's it, as long as you don't change anything. Miscellaneous questions. Oh look, miscellaneous spelled wrong. I'll be fixing that. Replace miscellaneous questionnaire pages. That's what I'm going to do. It's going to go through and replace the pages. You can select no action. That means you're not adding any miscellaneous questionnaire pages, or you can add them after a certain page, so you wouldn't have them in the organizer already, so there's no need to replace them. Click go. And because I'm adding these extra pages, this is my file here. It's called 1040 extra pages 2023. I'm just going to move that into my tax forms folder. I have some organizers here. I'll open the first one. And you can see there's no fields. So I'll just go File. And then this setup, it always remembers. Right? That's why we only have to do it once. So we'll go File, Create Tax Organizer, and you see the progress bar down here. It's reading all the pages to see which ones it needs to add fields to. At the end, you'll get a pop-up showing which pages, how many pages were processed, which is 44. Which pages did not get fields added to them. Page 1 will be one of those because it's not a tax form, it's just a cover page. It'll tell you how many pages it added. In this case, so here's the 44 pages processed, 0 extra pages added. It actually did add the miscellaneous questionnaire pages, but it replaced them. So the net pages is the same, and that's what that number is, 0. No fields added to the following pages. If you see every page here, then something went wrong. Let's just look. There's the fields that were not there before. There's my questionnaire. And I don't want to save that. Next, so that was one organizer at a time. I'm going to do this entire folder. There's 5 in here. You can do hundreds at once. The way you do that is you go to Tools and the Action Wizard. Click Batch Tax Organizers. Add a folder. And my folder is on my desktop. And it is called 2023 Organizers. Select, and you see all the files there that it's going to process. Click Start. This pops up. This will pop up every time at the beginning just to make sure you have your path set and your option set here. But it remembers, so you just click Go. And you'll see the progress bar. When you do it this way, there's no message at the end. It'll just, you could see the file names changing up here. And it'll just stop when it gets to the end. I'm going to pause this video so we don't have to sit here and watch it going across. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. It's processing another file now. I think there's one more after this. So it's adding fields to every organizer inside that folder. And you just use the action instead of the menu up here when you want to do multiple at once. Saving them in the same folder. Should probably keep the originals and just copy them to a folder and run it on that folder, just in case something goes wrong. Yeah. once you got it working though, it works well. And you'll know you're done. This progress bar will just be gone and nothing will be going on here. And it's finished. The last one just stays open. It's already saved though. You can see here the save icon's disabled. So let's go look and make sure we got our fields on here. Yep. And I'll just close that. So all of these were done. Go through. And that's it. Thanks for watching.